Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam.
It's a great honour to be here today as Minister of Multicultural Affairs from the Victorian Labor Government. As was indicated, we're very happy to work with organisations like the Australian Muslim Social Services Agency to promote multiculturalism, to support the free practice of religion within our society, and to bring people together within cultures and across cultures to share and develop our wonderful multicultural society we have here today. Before I announce the funding, let me say that most of the people here don't stand from the Somali community, but also other East African practitioners. And you can rely upon the Labor government here in Victoria to always stand with you when in good times and in bad. Where there is issues of Islamophobia or issues of racism, we will always stand against bigotry and discrimination, because every person in our community deserves to be treated fairly, free of discrimination, the honour and respect of human dignity. And in that light, the work that's undertaken by AMSA is something that we're very happy to support. I'd like to acknowledge the Secretary here today and the other committee members who've come to greet me, but it's a big honour to be today because I know a lot of good work is done, particularly with young people here, to build a life and give people positive opportunities to participate in our community. So I'm very pleased to announce today that we'll provide $424,201 of funding for community infrastructure and security funding to improve the services here. There's a piece of land out the back I was just showing where there's going to be a new multicultural centre constructed. And we're very happy to support that activity because we know that the work that you do as a community helps young people in their life, helps give people opportunity to live a productive life in keeping with the values of the families which you become, but also participating fully in the broader multicultural society and making a contribution to Victoria. And through that contribution, having a deep sense of belonging and opportunity. So very happy to support AMSA, very happy with the work that's undertaken here. It's a great honour to be here, and I'm really humbled by the generosity and the welcome that I've received here this morning. Thank you very much.